Who's here?
Hey! What's that? Is that your YouTube channel? Don't put me on there.
You have your mask on.
Well,
Guys, her name is
aim high,
Rachel.
aim high.
We call her Red because look at her hair. Such a beautiful red hair. Okay, half body, that's it. But you know what? She's so tall. She's like, what are you, 5'10"?
No, 5'8".
Oh, 5'8". I need to catch it.
Why?
Because you're my favorite boss.
What is that? Is that a camera?
Yeah.
You videotaping me?
Hey, you're single, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get you.
Single, ready to mingle.
I'm trying to get you a Pringle.
Oh.
Maybe Pringles.
Pringles.
There's a lot of Filipino women watching this right now.
Okay.
It's live.
Are you serious?
Hi guys, he's single.
You're nuts.
He makes a lot of money, guys.
I'll work my tail off for you too.
Well, what tail? I haven't clocked in yet, so nothing wrong with you.
I haven't even been able to do anything.
Really?
Still got to finish doing the checkout.
I'll check them out.
Those 40 rooms that they had.
To check out?
No, that was laundry.
Oh, dang. Holy cow. How many checkouts do we have?
That's all that's left of laundry.
How many checkouts do we have?
There's only like 22.
22?
That's all we got left of laundry.
Oh, that's good.
But that's all wet. So that needs to still be dried by you.
I'm in a laundry
She
area.
gets to do some more tonight.
Like what?
Throw 2 in at a time to dry. And then just throw it in the cart. I'll fold in the morning.
Dry it?
Yeah, just dry it. Please.
Oh, heck yeah, I can do that.
And then I got a project for Pepe. There's a whole big towel, big cart of towels and pillowcases that's sitting out there right now. I haven't got time.
You want me to do one?
No, if you want to keep these dry, I mean, if you want to fold them, you can. They're out in the lobby.
I'll fold them.
Yeah, they're out by the table.
Alright. Alright, say bye to my
Bye.
ladies.
That's from Josh.
Oh, look at that. Our manager gave us something. What's in it?
Goodies.
Crush. Oh, yeah. Starburst. You want it?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm just gonna give mine to my kids.
Yeah. Give it to your kids.
Hey, you don't want them?
No. I mean, I don't get those. I mean, you can have one, I'm sure. Here.
Okay.
We got the kids.
Oh, they don't drink pop.
Extra, extra, extra.
Thank you.
My boss is awesome. Anyway, anything to pass on?
Reg perks and stuff. Josh
Take your
checking out.
mask. Let's take a picture really quick.
Yeah, I look like crap right now. I'm not even wearing makeup.
Oh, you're beautiful. You don't need to wear makeup. You guys, she's beautiful.
Oh, wait.
Look at her. Wait. Look at her though.
No!
Hot body, hot body.
Get out of here.
Let me clock
You're
in.
gonna lose followers.
So this is Derek. He works here part-time. And Derek, take off your glasses. Let me see. So he is single and ready to mingle
With Pringles.
with Pringles.
With Pringles.
Yeah.
Lots of them.
Yep, lots of Pringles. Stock them. Stock him.
Stock them. Stack them. Stock them.
So if there's any ladies there that
Oh,
are
my
single, hit me up.
My hair's not
I-
washed.
I
I'm
can-
all dirty.
I can hook you up.
Looking like a homeless guy.
No. Alright, I'm trying to sell. Hey, you guys. Ladies. I'm sorry, not guys. Ladies. He is. Stand up though. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up. I want to
Why
see
you
how
making
tall
me
he
do all
is.
this
Very
work?
tall.
5'10".
He's 5'10". He's slender. Look at that. Look at the shoes. Heck. Uh-huh.
Thank you.
I know his number, so If any,
You have it. You've got
if
it.
there's any ladies there that are interested, please hit me
We'll
up.
share some Jimmy Dean biscuits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In bed.
That's right.
Oh my
That's
God.
right.
And how old are you? Wait.
25.
25. And
Yeah.
you know, he's got a really good job, ladies. He works for.
See why?
You got a really good job.
For Verizon?
Yeah, Verizon. And you know, a lot of Filipino women, especially Filipino women, they like phones, like gadgets. Yeah, you can hook them up with that.
You like technology?
Yep, they do. He works for Verizon and also works right here. Our desk is right over there.
Motel, Holiday.
Holiday Inn Express, you guys. So if you wanna talk to him, you let me know.
Let me know.
Let me know.
Available for purchase. Pre-order.
You get 25% discount.
Whoa! What?
Just kidding.
What are you doing? You're selling me on the.
No, I'm kidding. You're free.
There's some coupons on there.
I don't have to tell you. You're free. That's even worse.
Stay free.
Free. Yep, and you live right around here, right? Alright, so his name is Derek. What else do you want to say about yourself, Derek? Are you from Omaha?
Mm-mm.
You're not from Omaha. Where are you from?
Please don't post this. I'm too hungry. I feel
No.
bad. I'm eating. I look fat.
I don't care.
Florida.
Florida, you guys. He's a
Melbourne,
hot.
Florida.
He came from the hot weather state, and he's a hot papa. There you go.
There you have it.
There you have it.
All natural.
All natural.
That's right.
What you see is what you get.
That's right.
No hidden
Freedom.
agenda.
What?
No hidden agenda. It's-
Nope. That's right.
What you see is what you get.
No political nonsense.
No, nothing.
None of that.
Yep. And he believes in God, you guys.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I suppose. I'm just kidding.
Oh, a lot of girls, they like God-fearing guys.
Hmm.
Yeah, they do. So save your money, save it up. We're going to Philippines, and you're coming with.
When?
Oh my gosh,
we
December
going?
maybe December.
December?
December or January. Save money. It's so cheap. Tickets,
Are you gonna let me
round
go?
trip ticket. It's probably like, huh?
Are they gonna let me go?
Yeah, you can
Really?
come. Heck yeah.
Don't I need a mask or something or a passport? I gotta get a passport.
Yeah, we don't even
I don't
have
have a
passport yet. It's pretty easy.
Liz!
to get. I know. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. So yeah, we gotta get passport. I get the picture. I just need a passport.
Where you get the picture done at?
Walgreens.
They do it there though?
Yeah.
I was telling somebody that they do the pictures at Walmart and they misunderstood me and thought that they did the whole thing there. And I was like,
No,
no. They only
just
take
a
the picture.
picture.
Right.
Yeah. Dum dum.
That's what I thought too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dummy.
Dummy. You're a big dummy.
You should know better by now. It's 2020. Jeez.
Stay in school, people.
Hugs, not drugs.
Sing it.
No, you can't do that.
Sing it. Come on. It's like a candid camera.
Candid camera.
Candid. Sing.
You made me forget the words. How does it go? Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like home. Like a virgin touched for the very first time. All right, Liz, that's enough of that.
No, you're entertaining.
No.
You're entertaining.
You gotta check the pool though, I thought.
What?
Remember, you're
What
at
time
work.
is it?
You're at work.
Oh, you know what? What time is it? It's not
9:58.
58. I got 2 more minutes.
2 more
Oh,
minutes.
you guys come with me. We're gonna check the pool.
Bring everybody.
Come with me, guys.
Check the pool.
We're gonna check the pool. Make sure the pH balance is balanced.
The balance is balanced.
Balance is balanced.
Correct.
And wait.
Don't drop your camera, Liz.
All right. All right. Oops. Wait. You don't want to come with me? You do it. Yeah. Yeah, so I can. Come on, you be nice to me. Alright. Alright, we're gonna have Derek do it.
Off the clock.
I owe you.
Me too.
I'll feed you on Monday, I promise.
I'll feed you on Monday.
Show up on Monday, 1 o'clock. Or whenever.
1 o'clock?
No, after you get off work, come over and I have food for you. Come on.
Food?
I'll feed you. So we're gonna follow him.
I don't remember what I'm doing. So
Oh
this
my
should be-
gosh,
this should
I'll
be a
show you.
blast.
We're gonna go to the pool. Alright, he's twerking, he's twerking.
That is definitely not happening. Twerking is not happening.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Oh shoot.
Oh
Oh.
no! Someone left their clothes in.
So we have a hot tub. We're not gonna do the hot tub. We're just gonna do the pool.
You got the clipboard?
No, I'll write it down. There's only, I don't remember the numbers. Do it here. Here, do it, I'll do it. On the camera. So you don't have to do it. Alright.
Looking professional.
You got a bed over there. Make sure you don't drop. Make sure surprise. Make sure you don't drop. So we're gonna put, what is it? R004. I don't know.
Yeah, that stuff.
I don't know.
The good stuff.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Shake it, shake it.
Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Oh, nice.
It's
Too
right
much
here.
shaking.
All right, you guys. What is it? 7.0.
Yeah, probably.
And then.
Something like that. Just to get water all over the ceiling.
Go ahead and drop it there because we're gonna recycle the water, you know, it doesn't matter. So, fudge. This one, it has to be 10 ml, right there.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna put this little cocaine right here.
Right up the nose.
Yeah.
There you go.
Two, what do you call it? Drops of that?
Two servings.
Two scoops.
2 servings.
2 scoops of that. And then we're gonna put
This is like a science experiment.
R0871, you know, whatever.
That stuff.
That stuff. You gotta shake, shake, shake like a Polaroid picture. It's clear.
How many drops?
4. And we're gonna recycle it back to the pool. Yeah. It's like, what the heck? It's not gonna hurt the water, you guys. Don't be scared. You'll be alright.
Cocaine in the water.
Yep. I told Kaylin, she's gonna have to get that towels in there.
We don't have time for that.
Because you and I were busy.
Exactly.
We were busy.
We're
you know,
busy.
marketing the Holiday Inn.
The cleanest hotel there is.
Heck yeah. That's because we have
There's like spiders falling out of the ceiling.
no, nothing. We showed it outside. We're gonna show you outside, you guys. Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
your help. So that's Derek, you guys. He's a very nice guy.
Oh, thank you.
He always helps me. He said helps, like plural.
A helpster? A helpster? A hamster? Oh shit, it's cold.
Uh-huh.
Oops.
So this is the parking lot. This is not actually the parking lot for hotel, but this is the parking lot for arena. That's where the hockey players hang out and play. What do you call it? Hockey? The hockey players home.
At the Rolston Arena.
Right. So there's a so we're gonna go back inside because our skinny friend is cold.
Exactly, I'm all bones. I'm shivering, shattering.
You know it's cold.
Yeah, it's Nebraska.
I don't understand why you don't have a coat.
Because it's over there.
Oh,
Oh no, it's
okay.
not. It's over here.
Well, put it on.
Well, I'm going from inside to inside, straight back to my car.
True. Anyway, so thank you so much, Derek.
Thank you, Liz.
We'll see you on YouTube for sure.
I'll see you there.
You know what to do.
Like and subscribe.
Yep.
Hit that notifications button.
Ring the bell.
Bazing. You can ring my bell.
There you go.
There you have it.
There you have it. I'm gonna have him sing that
No.
at the end of my
Is that gonna be your
vlog.
opening thing from now on?
No, that's gonna be
Theme
my
song?
nope. That's gonna be my closed caption.
The closing
Yep.
to your.
Uh-huh. And we just watch TV here, or I do. And then there's another TV over here. Yep, that's all I do. And then Derek.
You gonna hit your light for you?
No. What time is it? It's only 10. I'll hang out here. And this is the back sides. There's my baby right there. She's all dirty. Watching my GoPro. Sorry.
You're okay.
But I got you right there. Just
My hair is like,
you look beautiful. But anyway, no, it's off. So, it's under XXXXX. I don't know if they're gonna come in or not, but you have that and then one more arrival. That's it. You guys need to guess what's her nationality. So, she's really pretty. Take your mask off real quick. Come on. See? You need to guess. Her name is Haylin. Oh, get your. She's single and ready to make
No.
love. Just kidding. I always
she's
say
gonna be
that.
running after you. Yeah, I heard that.
Anyway, yep, that's it. Well, guys, I hope you like my work life. This is at the Holiday Inn Express, and these are all my co-workers. We go to work and just have fun. You know, work hard, play harder. So thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, comment,